This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by verifying prerequisites. You need the character and weapon unlocked, map access, and minimal resources. Once confirmed, move to the objective spawn and set your spawn point close to the first marker. This saves travel time. Equip mobility gear so you can dash and climb without wasting supplies. Make sure to pick up 3 ammo packs and at least $500 in-game currency before engaging. Doing these things now prevents backtracking and keeps momentum for the next phase. You enter the complex middle by activating the terminal to spawn the device. This is the trigger that starts the timer and enemy waves. Once triggered, split roles. One player escorts and moves the device while the other provides cover fire and clears choke points. Rotate roles every 90 seconds to avoid burnout and heal downtime. Make sure to repair the device when it drops to roughly 50% durability and conserve ammo by using melee or burst shots. This control keeps the run stable and predictable. You finish by securing the final zone. Clear every spawn point and hold perimeters so the activation sequence can run uninterrupted. Once done, plant and complete the activation within 30 seconds while teammates maintain crossfire. Speed reduces cumulative damage. After completion, extract immediately to avoid late ambushes. If things go wrong, pause, check the device health meter, reassign roles to patch weaknesses, and reload the closest checkpoint so you keep progress instead of restarting from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.